Hey guys, what's going on? This is a update on our 66 Fairlane project. Went ahead and got both the engine and transmission pulled a lot sooner than I thought. I was going to take video of it, but there was really no good way to film it and work at the same time. I had some help with it, and we got everything pretty much out in a matter of a couple hours, and there just wasn't really anything exciting to see. So what I'm going to do now instead is set this up and probably do a time lapse here of hooking this thing up on the engine stand, and we're going to go ahead and do a full teardown of this, inspect it over, see what it looks like, let you guys see what the inside of the motor looks like, organize everything, and probably send this off to the machine shop to get reworked. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we have most of the important stuff torn down, and as you can see, well, the camera's picking that up, but there is definitely some scoring and some pitting right there as well. I mean, it's not too bad, nothing, it's like probably 20 over, be fine, but it's just old and tired. That's probably where our oil usage was coming from. Rings are probably worn out, and we got some scoring in the cylinder walls there, and this one, yeah, they're all pretty much the same, even where they were excuse me. Top of the pistons all look pretty good though. Well, I might have spoke too soon. There's some not so goodness there in that one, on that valve relief. Ooh. Well, that doesn't look great either. You can see that. But we'll finish knocking her out, get the pistons out, the lifters out, and send her over to my machinist and see what he says. You know, clean the block up, check for cracks, all that stuff. I'll tell you, the cylinder heads actually look pretty good outside of just some carbon buildup. You know, they're not bad. Not sure if we're gonna refinish these or get some new off-the-shelf ones, but you know, might have some aluminum heads in its future, or we might just might just redo these ones up a little bit, a little better. Anyway, Alright guys, well, I'll catch up with you next time on the next update here, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do me a favor and like and comment and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It does help me out. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, just let me know down there in the comments below, or if you want to see anything else in particular. But we'll send this over and get you an update next time here on Wheels Forgotten.